Hello, and welcome to the Student Guide for Microsoft Teams. What is Microsoft Teams? Microsoft Teams is a virtual workspace created by Microsoft to allow people to chat, meet, and call all in the same environment. As a student at Wake Tech Community College, you are given access to Microsoft Teams through your Microsoft Office 365 account. To get started using Teams, follow these steps. Log in to your Wake Tech email account through the Logins menu on the Wake Tech homepage. Note, if you have not yet activated your Wake Tech account, you will need to do so through my.waketech.edu. Once logged in, select the Apps launcher denoted by a grid of dots in the top left corner to display a menu of numerous Office 365 apps. Select the Teams icon from the list of Office 365 apps to get started. If you are working from a mobile device, you can choose to download the Microsoft Teams app. You can also choose to download a desktop version of the app by selecting the Download option in the bottom left panel of your screen. To log into Teams, use your Wake Tech email account and password. If your instructor has set up a Teams classroom, you will see it on your dashboard. However, even if your instructor has not set up Teams for your class, you can still contact your instructor through Teams. Please be sure that you have read any emails or announcements from your instructor so you know if he or she is having assigned office hours or class meetings. Virtually meeting for office hours. There are two ways to contact your instructor during open office hours. You may select the Chat feature and start a new chat. From here, you should be able to type your instructor's name to start the new chat. The chat is similar to a texting thread where you and your instructor can chat back and forth live. Through the desktop or mobile app, you can contact your instructor through a virtual call. To make a call, make sure you have a microphone and/or a webcam on your computer. Select the Calls button on the left panel of Teams. Enter your instructor's name and either the phone icon for voice or the video recorder icon for video. Attending a class meeting. If your instructor has scheduled a time for your class to meet virtually, you will do so through Teams. Before attending the session, you will want to be sure that you are on a device with working speakers and a microphone. Your instructor will be leading the session, but you will need to prepare to listen and participate with your microphone if required. If you do not have a device or computer at home, do not have a working microphone or speakers, or do not have reliable internet, you can still attend the virtual classroom. You will be able to access the class by calling in with the number provided by your instructor. To see if your instructor has scheduled class time in Teams, select the Calendar icon. Your class meeting should be reflected on the calendar. If it is not, reach out to your instructor to verify the meeting time. Click on the calendar meeting to open the meeting details. When the meeting is about to begin, select Join. Choose your options for microphone and video, then select Join Now to join the meeting. You should see your name displayed on the right-hand side as an attendee. During your meeting, keep your microphone muted to avoid any disruptions in class. Your instructor will let you know when to unmute your microphone and participate if he or she has any additional requirements. If you have a question, you may type the question into the chat box and your instructor will be able to address your concerns. When the virtual meeting has concluded, simply select the Hang Up button on the navigation bar to exit the virtual meeting space. Thank you for your attention and let your instructor know if you are having any difficulties.